Hey, Emeril Lagasse here with my all-new Southern cooker. You're gonna love this. It's a grill, it's a slow cooker, it's a smoker, it's an oven. Best of all, it's lightweight and portable so you can take it anywhere.
Look, you'd need 4 separate products to cook all those different ways. That would cost you a fortune. But Emeril Lagasse's Southern cooker is like having all those products in one. It transforms from a grill to a slow cooker smoker to an oven.
There's never been anything like this, trust me.
Other portable grills are small. Southern cooker's oversized grilling surface is up to 60% larger. So large it fits up to 15 full-size burgers, 14 pork chops, or sizzle up to 12 steaks that are seared on the outside, juicy on the inside. Grill with propane and food tastes like gas. But Southern Cooker uses charcoal for authentic barbecue flavor. But this is so much more than a grill. Southern Cooker can cook 2 ways at the same time. Grill the main course. At the same time, you slow cook the side dishes for family-size meals that last all week, like tender pulled pork. Just open the doors to a giant slow and low cooking chamber, large enough to slow cook 6 full racks of ribs. The secret is the modular heating source that grills food on top while indirect radiant heat surrounds and slow cooks food on the bottom. But watch, add wood chips and it's also a smoker, infusing food with all natural flavor. Smoke 2 full-size turkeys at the same time for a juicy, flavorful feast. Then move the heat source to the bottom for an oven that cooks up to 600 degrees. Bake ooey-gooey mac and cheese or a decadent blueberry cobbler. Best of all, it's lightweight and portable. You can take it anywhere, from backwoods to back patio, from blacktop to rooftop. Grill, bake, slow cook, and smoke in one versatile outdoor cooking machine.
My Southern cooker is completely gonna change the way you cook outdoors.
Oh, Chef, this is delicious.
It's so awesome you just wanna say, BAM! Let's kick it up a notch with my Southern cooker.